Tracy from Colorado in the United States, and today I want to run an experiment on charging devices simultaneously on the 20,000 mAh Mama battery that I got on the program. So this is, I'm going to use some of the products that I recently reviewed in the other videos. I'm going to use this next generation zipper cable. So this was the zipper cable here. I'll also be using this LED data cable. And so there's 5 ports. I'll be testing 5 Android phones which have been ran all the way down to a dead state. So they'll be hooked up to this Mama battery using some of these. And then as a control here, I am getting one of these, just a regular cord here. This has a regular USB, and then the other end has a micro USB. So we can hook one of those as a control. And then the last experiment I'll be doing is just to charge up one of the other Android phones with our ultra thin 6mm 3000 mAh battery. That plugs right into the last port. Okay, so let me get this all situated. So they all start out the same. So we will start plugging them in and doing the timing. Okay, so notice that the light is on the device showing that it's charging. And the last one is a control, so I will have that plugged to just one of these. So iPhone and then one of the Androids. And then the last one I'm going to hook it up to is the ultra thin 3000 mAh battery, 6mm, and I will hook it straight in here. And I charged these to full power already, so we will just hook it up, and I'm going to be recording the time, and we'll come back in about a few hours here. I'll check it and then I'll give you some status updates, so keep watching. Thank you. Back with you to give you the results of the experiment I'm doing. And we started this test about 7:40 p.m. Colorado time, Mountain Standard Time, and it's almost 3 hours later. We first of all started out with devices here, but I'll review what happened here. This is the Mama battery, 20,000 mAh, and this cord was part of the equipment that was sent in the beta program. So it's just a regular micro USB to USB, and then I used 3 of these LED light cords, and then we also used the zipper cable too as well that had the micro USB and also one of the lightning cables there. Oh, did you see that change color? It was red and now it's changing to blue. It was flashing blue, meaning that it's almost fully charged. So just remember that when it's charging, it's red. See, it just flashed to blue right there. So just remember that when it's charging, it's red. See, it just flashed to blue right there. So it's probably some inconsistency with the phone trying to suck some energy while it's being charge. So eventually then it'll be a solid blue color right there. So that's finished, and this one's a little bit behind there because we plugged it in 20 minutes later. And when I first started, the iPhone wasn't all the way fully dead, so it was at 715 at 17%, and at 9, about 2 hours later, it was fully charged with a zipper cable. So that was pretty good. And then this white cord that was included in one of the beta products here fully charged the product as well. And we're just waiting for some of these devices to fully charge. Initially, I thought it took 5 hours to charge this, but actually it only took about 3 hours, under 3 hours, to almost fully charge everything. See, this is going to turn blue here in just a moment. Here, I saw it flash. So we'll watch it here turn blue. So this is blue, and then I saw this flashing blue a little earlier. So let's see if it'll turn blue. So I'm really happy with this. And it still has some juice left here. It had four dots of power, and if I look at here, it still has 1 dot of power. So it still has some more left to go. And I had charged all 5 devices, and all the devices were at a dead state with no battery power except for the iPhone, which had 17% there. And see, it's all the way almost fully charged there too as well. So I bet you if I leave it just a little bit longer, it'll fully charge everything. And let me just check the power of this device here that I plugged 20 minutes later. It's 93%, and this one is it's pretty much almost fully charged there too as well, because it flashes back and forth there. So I am going to say that I really like this product. It's not only portable and small and very powerful, but I like the fact that it has these 2 input ports to be able to recharge this powerhouse quickly. Because if you only had one, it might take a few hours long to charge. I also had this hooked up to one of the Androids too as well, and I let it charge all the way, and it exhausted the battery in about 2 hours, and it charged the Android from a dead state all the way up to 85% in about 2 hours, and it was exhausted. So it's pretty good to be able to have some backup power just like this, flat like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.